People keep on asking me, why am I building robots? Building robots is not that really easy. Sometimes it's really difficult. It's not only sometimes, but most of the time it's really difficult. And in fact, a lot of times that you will struggle, things that you expect that will work and it doesn't work. There are also some experiences wherein you bought materials or some modules that would make the robot more robust and of course will work make the robot work. The problem is there are times that it doesn't work and the devices or materials that you bought is not working well. There are lots of sleepless night struggles. Sometimes you take risks of your time, money, and effort, and yet nothing happens. That is the life of roboticists. I believe that having robots is not just a toy. We might see robot right now as a toy, but my belief already leveled up and it's no longer about the toy. It's about creating something that would, save lives. I believe robots save lives because it can get all the jobs that are risky jobs that humans are forced to do because they can't do anything. It's their job. But if there are robots already who can do all those things, humans can just do important things which are not risky. It could be more on mental job. It could be more on intellectual job, wherein they could control all the tasks of the robot and let the robot do those risky jobs. So I believe that's the reason that really motivates me, why I keep on going. There are struggles, just like I said, I lost a lot of money, I lost a lot of time and effort in building my first project in about robots. It seems like I lost my motivation. It seems like I want to give up, but I love what I'm doing. So that's the reason why I think I can see myself right now still building robots, and probably in the future as I started to develop robotics, wherein I could share, teach kids and even professionals to create robots that could be used first for them to learn, second for them to create something that would be very beneficial to the economy. I believe right now that the creator's economy is again emerging. It's no longer the first one, it's no longer the second one, but it's the third creator's economy. So that's the reason why for me I keep on going on learning and building robots.